This was my front hall closet. This is my front hall closet now. Welcome back to Living Clean in the Country. Today we're going to do a front hall closet declutter, clean, and makeover. I'm really excited to show you this, so let's get started. So as you can see, my front hall was overflowing with everything possible. When I did my closet clean out, we ended up clearing out a closet in our guest room. So that's where we're going to be hanging a lot of our jackets and putting most of our bags and stuff. Rather than having it right at the front, we're just going to keep the essentials at the front. We had these two, like the drawers that go underneath washing machines. We had two of those that was holding all of our shoes, and we've decided that it's time to move up in the world. So we filled in all the holes, cleared everything out, washed down all the walls, picked out our paint colors, and we were ready to transform this little area of our home. And we couldn't be happier with our paint colors that we chose. This nice dark green. We love this color. And then with the contrast of the white walls everywhere else, it's just like a little accent piece that just really ties it all together. Now that the paint's dry, it's time to clean up a little bit. First I vacuumed a little bit, and then, I'm saying a little bit a lot, sorry about that. I use orange essential oil and I put it on my mop for the steam mop. And you just put it directly on the mop. Don't put it in your steam mop because it can actually damage that because it's plastic inside. And then it gives off this beautiful orange scent. You can choose whatever essential oil you'd like, but it just makes your house smell amazing with the steam releasing that scent. Now it's time for the furniture. We ended up getting this little dresser from IKEA, just a little simple dresser to keep our shoes in. Nothing fancy. We also got this mirror that's made out of the same type of wood as the dresser, also from IKEA. We just thought it would add a little bit more dimension to the area. Now just to put everything away and back in its place. And last, to decorate a little bit. And there you have it, my completed beautiful entryway. I'm so happy with how this turned out. It's such a difference from what it was to what it is now. I'm so happy with it. It's so convenient. There's a little hangy thing you can see in the mirror. That's also from IKEA. We had that for a while, just to hang our coats on. There's these little dividers inside to put our wallets and everything in. The next drawer is for our hats because we need hats. We live in Canada. It's cold out right now. And then my shoes. and then his shoes. I'm so happy with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.